So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your ticket preferences. So from here, you'll go to Setup and then Set Up Ticket Preferences. This is going to be the first page. This is the point of sale. That's also an acronym for POS or vice versa. In here, you'll set up your sales tax. So this is where you'd put in your service tax or your retail tax. Oftentimes they are different. In here, you have a variable ticket fee. By default, this will be nothing, but you could maybe charge 5% for a cleaning fee or airport tax or VAT tax. Sometimes it's used for all sorts of different reasons. And then down here you have your merchant account information. We do not recommend you doing anything in this area without contacting support. They will help you set up your credit card processing. And then your check-in preferences, this is a preference to say when you would like the service pricing assigned. So if it's selected to be at the time of booking, it means that at the time of booking, if let's say a haircut service was $30, but by the time the client came in for that appointment, you have increased your pricing to $32, it would say that that price would stay the $30 because when they booked it, that was the price of that service. Or if you select upon client check-in, when you checked in that client, it would update and have them pay the $32 because that's your new service price. So this is just a matter of what price it would assign, the price at the time of booking or the time of check-in. Under POS devices, this is where you'll outline your cash drawers. So this is where you'll assign a cash drawer name. By default, these will be numbers, and then these would be your names. You can add more cash drawers. Unfortunately, you cannot remove cash drawers. That's part of an auditing reasoning. And then down here, you have your receipt memo. So any information you want added to the bottom of your receipt, you would put that right here. We recommend putting in links, promotions, etc. And then that will appear on printed receipts as well as emailed receipts. Down here, this is your device configuration, the credit card processing configuration. We recommend doing that with our STX support staff. The batch time, we recommend that you leave that alone. If you do talk with your credit card processing representative about a new batch time, this is where you would go to alter it. The default setting for all accounts will be 9:30 p.m. And then down here is your cash drawer. If for any reason your cash drawer was no longer linked, you can go manually reset this up down here, but this is where that information is stored. And then in here, this is the favorite setup. So to set up your favorites, these are going to be in the checkout under the favorites tab. It's the default tab. If you get into your checkout area and you see that there's a bunch of blank boxes, this is where you would go to set up those preferences. So you can select products or services. So here's an example. If you just click on one of these boxes, you can select if you want this to populate with a service, a product, or a promotion. And then you would select the service group, the product line, or the promotion from these options here. You can also scan a product and click search and make that your specific favorite. And then when you click update favorites, it'll reflect here. Of course, always choose save. And then in the checkout area, this is where those favorites would be. And then you'll also note your the current cash drawer and shift over here in your checkout. And that's it for ticket preference setup. Thank you for watching.